Today we will have speaking assessment for present perfect tense. Please tell me the story of a picture of health. Okay? You can start in three, two, one, and let's go.
Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about a picture of health. So, one day Helen was too lazy to go to work, so she pretended to be sick. When she went downstairs, when she goes downstairs, she, she was sneezing and coughing. Then, after that, Matt asked her that have you checked your temperature? Then Helen said that her temperature keeps going up and down. So the friends decided that Helen doesn't have to go to work and they will bring some medicine after they go home. When her friends got to work, got to work, mm, Helen was watching TV while eating snacks. Mm, Suddenly, she heard someone's voice, and then she put all of the snack wrappers in her closet. And then Jane came to her room and checked so checked if Helen was okay. And then mm, Jane gave her the medicine. And then I think David came with another type of medicine. And Jane and David started debating which one was better. And then Matt came in with fruits. Uh, and then suddenly uh, there was someone who came. It was Simon. Simon wanted to ask Helen to go to the band. When Simon said that, Helen said that she feels a little bit better and could go to the band. And then Jane stopped her and said she was she couldn't go to the band because she was still sick. And then Simon went with Jane afterwards. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, good. Have you pretended to be sick like Helen? How do you answer it?
No, I haven't
Um,
pretend.
why do you think you haven't? Because you always in the good condition, or because you think that lying is not okay?
Because uh, I don't know.
How can you don't know?
I think because school is fun.
Because
School is fun.
school is fun. Oh, I never heard someone saying school is fun. Only you.
Not the studying, the playing lah.
Oh, not the studying, the playing one. Okay. Um, what kind of ticket Has Simon booked for Helen?
The salsa
Can
band.
you make it complete, Simon?
Simon bought
Hmm?
two
What
sal-
kind of ticket has Simon booked?
Simon has bought two salsa band tickets.
Oh, salsa band ticket. Think. Have you ever watched band live?
No,
No.
I haven't.
What kind of performance have you watched in your life?
I just watch from TV.
Oh, from television. Oh. What is the best performance in your life, do you think? That you still remember?
From television.
Yeah, from television. That's okay. For me, for example, when I watched a magician, he trapped himself inside the water for 1 day without any oxygen. It it was so incredible for me. If you
Mm, I don't.
you cannot recall. Okay then. All right. Um, what achievement have you got so far, Leonie?
Achievement.
Hmm. Can be from school, like maybe from 17-an last time can be, or like any competition that you have joined.
I don't know.
Maybe in your life can be also, for example, like
A,
before you always wakes up late, but now you have gotten up earlier.
a big score.
Can be in school also.
I got a good score in on my English test.
Hmm. If before, what score did you get?
Same see.
Oh, but now?
Say,
Okay. Oh, this one then. What skill have you improved this year or these 2 years?
I have improved uh, my drawing skill
Mm-hmm.
and my English and Mandarin skill.
Like, how is it? Can you tell me more about it?
My Mandarin still bad, but better than last time. My English, I don't know.
How can you say? I think my English is better, but I don't know how. Of course, you can feel it. Like maybe you can speak more now, or maybe now you are more confident, or something like
Uh,
that.
I think
Can you use the microphone? I cannot.
I think I can speak more words,
Mm-hmm.
and for drawing, it's already getting better.
Oh, I see. Okay, now good. You can ask me one question in present perfect tense.
But
Anything, but it's in present perfect. Only one question.
mm,
What? How? Have?
what have you achieved
How can you reuse my questions? What have you achieved in
in uh,
in what sector in my life or what?
in in your life?
Like as far as I live. Okay. I think my best achievement was that I have got the scholarship. Scholarship is beasiswa. So I have got the scholarship from it's like Australia Foundation. So I got some money. It was a huge money actually. I think that one. so far? The best achievement. Okay. Anything else?
I think I'm done.
Okay. Thank you very much and see you later. Bye bye.